Ahojte všetci a vítajte na mojom kanále YouTube. Dnes som v Košiciach, druhom mieste Slovenskej republike, po 14 rokoch. Košice majú také skvelé historické centrum, to za mnou je štátne divadlo, tu je tiež koštol svätej Alžbety, som na hlavnej ulice a dnes by som vám chcel hovoriť o slovenčiny a samozrejme ešte po slovensky. Prečo sa mi páči slovenčina? Nielen preto, že som slovenčinu naučil ešte keď som bol malý, ale tiež preto, že slovenčina má, to som videl v nejakej odbornej literatúry, že má takú centrálnu polohu medzi slovanskými jazykmi, že keď človek hovorí a rozumie slovenčinu aj dosť jednoduché môže rozumieť aj iné slovanské jazyky. Stále keď hovorím s cudzincami, tak poviem, ok, no v poriadku, ale nie je pravda, že na Slovensku aj sa hovorí čeština, nie. Čeština sa hovorí v Českej republike, samozrejme v Slovenskej republike hovoríme slovenčinu. A aj keď sa Češi a Slováci rozumiejú, medzi tými jazykmi samozrejme obstáva aj rozdiel. Tak ďakujem vám a vidíme sa ešte v druhých videách a dovidenia. Guys and girls, that was Slovakian or Slovak, the national language of the Republic of Slovakia, and a very unique Slavic language by the way of its position. I once read in an expert literature book that basically Slovakian is the most central of all Slavonic languages, that when you speak and understand Slovakian, you can understand a lot of the other Slavonic languages as well without major problems. For example, Czech is very close to it. Czech and Slovak are despite the fact that Czechoslovakia was just one country for a very long time, Czech and Slovak are distinct languages and there are still some differences between the two, although people can actually understand each other when they speak the respective language. It's a beautiful language. I picked it up pretty early and today I'm back in Košice. It is the second city of the Republic of Slovakia. The second biggest city, I should say. It's in the eastern part of the country, whereas Bratislava, the capital, is in the western part. And I'm back here for the first time in 14 years, so it feels pretty awesome. One of the reasons why it feels so awesome to be here is because I have a lot of friends here, and I've had a pretty sleepless night, as you can maybe see. And thanks to my friend Kajo, who is now helping me make this video. Ďakujem pekne. If you speak Slovak, if you want to learn Slovak, a good tip would be to check out the Slovak learning community on the Dict.cc website. If you just go to dict.cc, the address is in the description of the video. You can find the respective Slovak language learning communities, and you can also write to me. I'll be happy to hear from you if you speak Slovak, if you're learning Slovak, or if you just have any comments or questions for this blog. Ďakujem pekne, thank you very much, and dovidenia. See you soon.